Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon, our topic is about the transformers connection. This is line 1. This is transformer number 1. This is X1, this is X2. Ang X1 sa transformer 1 connected to the X2 from the transformer number 3 sa primary. Then ang X1 niya sa primary connected sa X2 transformer primary winding. Then ang X1 niya at the other side sa yung coil connected sa X2 from transformer number 1. Then ang X1 this one line 1. Then ang X1 dito sa sa transformer number 2 primary winding line 2. Then ang X1 sa transformer 3 primary winding line 3. This primary winding is a delta connection. Then ang H1 natin terminal 1. Tapos yung other terminal sa H1 yung coil niya H2. Then dito naga connected sa H2 sa transformer number 2 secondary winding at saka sa transformer number 3 secondary winding naga-join together, then neutral, then yung H1 niya T1 sa load side. Then ang H1 naman sa transformer number 2 terminal 2, and H1 na naman sa transformer number 3 secondary winding is terminal 3. This one legend is line 1. L1 is equal to line 1, L2 is equal to line 2, L3 is equal to line 3. X1 and X2 is primary winding, H1 and H2 is secondary winding. This is the connection. The primary winding sa delta equals delta connection. Delta siya X1. This is X1. This is transformer 1. Coil niya X2. Transformer. Ang connected sa X2 sa transformer 1 connected sa X1. X1 ang X1 sa transformer 1 tapos si X2 connected sa ang X2 connected sa X1 sa transformer 2, then ang X2 connected sa X1 transformer 3, then ang X2 sa X1 for line 1. This is the coil guys sa transformer 1 and 2. Ang iyang 2 ni-connect siya sa X1 transformer. Ito guys. This is transformer 1, X1 and X2. Then ang 2 nakakonect dito sa transformer number 2, X1. This is X2 and X1 sa transformer 2. Ang X2 naman sa transformer 2, this one, X2, na-connect sa X1 transformer 3. This is the X2 transformer 2 nakakonect sa X1 transformer 3. This one, X1 transformer 3 and X2 patungo sa transformer 1 X1. Ang transformer 3 niya sa X2 patungo sa connected sa X1 transformer 1 for line 1. Then line 2, then line 3. Then connect for our second dari winding natin guys is Y connection. This is H1. Ang other coil niya H2 transformer 1. Then H1 ang coil niya connected sa H2 together sa H2 ng transformer 3, transformer 2, and transformer 1. Ang iyang 1 is H1 is line 3. This one H1 line 2. This is H1 line 1. Ito yun guys. Ito terminal din ito guys. T1 to T1. Ito pala guys is T1 to guys. Kay load side man to. Then ito terminal 2. This is terminal 3. Hindi to line 3 guys. Load side man to. Then join together for our neutral. This is the terminal 1. This is T1 natin guys. Secondary winding H1 and H2. This one is H1 and H2 sa transformer 1. This is T1. Then ito guys, H1 and H2 sa transformer 2 natin. Dito guys, H1 and H2 sa T2 natin. Diretso nakakonect siya sa transformer number 1 secondary winding together, then neutral. Then ang H2 niya guys na-connect dito H2 sa T3 natin H2. Ang H1 niya, ito yung H1 niya is para T1. H1 natin is T1. Ako na ng oras. Bible verse of the day, Luke 8 verse 11. Now the parable is this: the seed is the word of God. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.